As a mentor, you have a peer network. Same is true for the mentee. They have a peer network. What would happen if you were to work with those peer networks when you find yourself needing to answer a question that neither you as the mentor or your mentee is able to answer? What I'm getting at is, who can help you with the how? And I think that that's an important question we need to ask, especially during these times where conversations, the mentoring arrangement continues over a longer period of time. Often mentoring arrangements could be very quick, maybe a couple of weeks inside an organization, but what we're finding now is that these mentoring arrangements are extending over a longer period of time. And those questions that sort of puzzle you both could be tapped into via your peer networks. And that's great, because what it does for you is it gives you an opportunity to strengthen that peer network, which would be of support to the mentee. The mentee gets to tap into their peer network and then realize the support that you have from your peer network, and thus raise their awareness of what's possible out there. And from a mentee's perspective, as they move beyond the mentoring arrangement with you, is to be able to have access to an extended peer network is of value to the mentee. I think there's a basic truth here as well about working with our peer networks. And it's about saving ourselves time, effort, and money, and making it safer. Now, you probably have seen at some point in time the word system, which meant save yourself time, effort, and money. If not, here it is. The S for safer is an important element to it, but let me just go back to save yourself time, effort, and money. The peer network, to be able to take care of the how because of the who, is a realization of that save yourself time, effort, and money. But it's that S component that I think is important, that last S about making it safer. It's safer from a physical point of view, a mental point of view, and the element of the soul and spirit aspect that we tap into to be able to live our extraordinary lives. And our peer network is able to give us more, to give us a greater range of people who can help out in those different layers of humanity, of being human, so that everyone can benefit from it. So again, I just share what's important here is tap into your peer network as a mentor, tap into the mentee's peer network, and encourage your mentee to continue to tap into their peer network. And as you introduce your peer network to your mentee, they can then find ways to involve your network with them. But also, it's about being able to tap into those networks to save yourself time, effort, and money to make it safer for all of those involved.